Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the nearby vessels on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the View section you can find the Near Me option and click that. And here you can check the near vessels. And if you want to read information about this vessel, just click to the information button. And here you can find pictures and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.